Welcome to SakshiEducation.com. So today we are going to discuss about the current affairs of awards and honors. So these awards and honors of September second half, that is September 15 to 30th 2018. So the very first is, so regarding the awards and honors are recognition. So in the recognition, Hyderabad airport ranked world #1 airport according to the Airports Council International under Airport Services Quality. So under ASQ, Airport Services Quality, the Hyderabad International Airport, which is known as Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, which is at Shamshabad, is named as the world's #1 for the second consecutive year in airport service quality. So this is being ranked by Airports Council International under Customer Excellence Global Summit, which was being held in Halifax of Canada. Next, Savai Singh Shekhawat, the writer and poet Savai Singh Shekhawat of Rajasthan, was being honored with Mira Puraskar by Rajasthan Sahitya Academy. So this award is being given to writers of Hindi literature only. So Rajasthan Sahitya Academy awards the Mira Puraskar only to the Hindi literature only, like poet and writer Savai Singh Shekhawat has honored with Mira Puraskar for the year 2018. Next, Dr. Raghupati Singhania has conferred with highest civilian award of Mexico. So the award is Mexican Order of the Aztec Eagle. So this award is the highest civilian award given by Mexico to the outsiders, nothing but to the non-nationals. So Dr. Raghupati Singhania to get this award, to receive this award from Her Excellency Miss Melba Priya. So she is ambassador of Mexico to India. So he is to receive from her hands. So this award will be given on September 17, 2018, which is the 128th anniversary of Mexico. Next, Para Shuttler Rajkumar conferred with Arjuna Award. So this there may be a question on this because there was a case filed regarding that this Para Shuttler Arjun Rajkumar. So the Para Shuttler Rajkumar name was not listed in the Arjuna Award list. So during the National Sports Awards ceremony, so there was a case filed on this. So finally, the Ministry of Sports has recognized his name, that Rajkumar, to be honored with Arjuna Award. Okay, following. So therefore, there may be a question on this. So who was under controversy regarding the Arjuna Award? So it is Rajkumar. Next, very important again, this Tenzing Norgay Award. So Tenzing Norgay Award will be given to adventures on air or earth, that is on the land or on the water. So this Tenzing Norgay Award is being conferred to INSV Tarini. So the all women's crew which was in waters for circumnavigating the earth for 8 months. So this is the first ever all women crew by Indian Navy. So this was being honored with Tenzing Norgay Award by President of India on 25th September 2018. And this was being this crew was after finishing the circumnavigating the earth, she was this crew was being received by Ministry of Defence, Nirmala Sitharaman, and this all women Indian crew was led by Lieutenant Commander Vartika Joshi. So definitely there may be a question on this. Why? Because this is the first ever all women's crew which has circumnavigated the earth for 8 months period. Next, Anushka Sharma, Bollywood actress Anushka Sharma receives Smita Patil Memorial Award on 19th September 2018. So, on the 34th anniversary of Global Awards, which was held in Mumbai, the Priyadarshini Academy has announced this Smita Patil Memorial Award to Anushka Sharma. And under this recognition, Assami movie Village Rockstars has made an official entry into Oscars nomination for 2019. So, remember, Village Rockstars is being nominated under India's Best Foreign Language category in 91st Academy Awards in the year 2019. So, Forbes India First Tycoons of Tomorrow list was being topped by PV Sindhu, and the Olympiad PV Sindhu is the only woman from India, only woman sports person from India to be listed in this Tycoons of Tomorrow's list by Forbes magazine. And PM Modi was being awarded the Champions of Earth Award. So, it is the United Nations highest environment award, okay, which is known as Champions of Earth Award 2018. So, it is given to 6 persons, okay, so along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So, it would be presented during the Champions of Earth Gala in New York City during the 73rd United Nations General Assembly to be held in New York in the year 2019. Next, the CSIR, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, has announced Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award, so for science and technology. So, Dr. Aditi Sendhi is the only female recipient of the award for the year 2018. Along with her, the Thomas Pukadil, Dr. Thomas Pukadil from the Indian Institute of Science Education Research, Pune, was also awarded the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize. So, in various categories in physics, chemistry, biology, okay, the Science and Technology Award will be presented by CSIR. Next, actor director Pankaj Kapoor to get Icons of India Cinema Award at 9th edition of Jagran Film Festival to be held in Mumbai on September 30, 2018. So, Pankaj Kapoor to get Icons of Indian Cinema Award for the year 2018. So, these are the important awards and honors, so which will be asked in the examination. So, Anushka Sharma Smita Patil Memorial Award, okay, so there may be a definite question on this. Next, coming to sports, England bet India in 5-1 test series. So, India lost the series in England, which was held on 11th of September 2018. So, India lost the 5th and last test against England, and England team has won the test series against India by 4-1. So, in the 5, the 4-1, okay, and but so although India lost the test series, so India continues to be the #1 ranking according to ICC's test series. Next, former England cricket captain Paul Collingwood announces retirement. So, he announced retirement for test cricket in the year 2011. So, finally, for the ODIs also he announced the retirement in the year 2018. And 52nd International Shooting Federation World Championship was held in Changwon of South Korea. So, in this event, China topped the medal with 43 medals, okay, followed by 36 medals by South Korea, and India has won the 3rd position by winning 27 medals, okay, among which 11 gold, 9 silver and 7 bronze. This is the record by India in shooting. International Shooting Federation. And German insurer Allianz has signed with International Olympic Association as Olympic sponsor for 10 years for the period of 2021 to 2028. So, it will be the official sponsor and it starts from 2018 to 2019. So, France football has announced that France Women's Ballon d'Or will be awarded for the first time in the year 2018. So, the France Women's Ballon d'Or is the women's team of France to be awarded in the year 2018 in Paris of France. So, this will be held on 8th December 2018. Next, 5th Track Asia Cup Cycling, very important for examination point of view. 5th Track Asia Cup Cycling 2018. So, where India topped the list of medals, okay, which was held in New Delhi, that is Indira Gandhi Velodrome in New Delhi from 21st to 23rd of September 2018. So, finally, 12 countries has participated in the event. India topped the medal tally with 6 gold, 5 silver and 2 bronze medals. So, this event is being organized by Cycling Federation of India 2018. Next, Best FIFA Football Awards 2018. So, on 24th of September 2018, so Best FIFA Football Awards 2018 was announced in London of England. The award winners are Best FIFA Men's Player Luka Modric of Croatia and FIFA Women's Player, Best FIFA Women's Player is Marta of Brazil, And finally, Indian women beat Sri Lanka by 51 runs to win T20 series. So, in women's T20 series 4-0, so Indian women cricket team has won the Sri Lanka T20 series. Coming to books and authors. So, very important books and authors for the September 15 to 30, that is 2nd of September 15 to 30 we will observe here. So, the books and authors are like Kashi Secret of Black Temple. Kashi Secret of Black Temple is a series of books, okay, that is the 3 books are there in this series, which is being authored by Vineet Bajpai, and he has announced that Kashi the Secret of Black Temple will be the 3rd and the last series under Harappa trilogy. So, this will be reveals the secrets of Indus Valley civilization and as well as the Harappa culture, okay, so along the North India. So, this book is being released by ex Chief Election Commissioner of India Naveen Chawla along with BJP national spokesperson Gaurav Bhatia. So, there may be a question on this. So, Harappa Trilogy. So, 3 series of books launched by Vineet Bajpai. The name is Kashi, the Secrets of Black Temple. And Sandeep Mishra, the author and writer of the book titled Story So Far. Story So Far is a book on sprinter Dutee Chand, who has won 2 silver medals at 2018 Asian Games. So, Sandeep Mishra has announced that he is going to write a book on the Indian sprinter Dutee Chand and named it as Story So Far. And BJP party president Amit Shah has also authored a book which was being released by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit to Varanasi of Uttar Pradesh, and the name of the book is Narendra Modi, a charismatic and visionary statement. Narendra Modi, a charismatic and visionary statesman, is the book authored by Amit Shah and released by Narendra Modi in Varanasi of Uttar Pradesh during Swachhata Hi Seva campaign. So another important book is Exam Warriors. So Exam Warriors is the book authored by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and its Urdu version is being released by Ministry of Human Resources. So the Human Resource Development Minister Prakash Javadekar has released the Urdu version of Exam Warriors, which is being authored by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And coming to important days, so very important days which are frequently asking in the examinations. So National Engineers Day in the year 2018, 51st Engineers Day is being observed on September 15th. So it is the day to commemorate the birth anniversary of the pioneer in engineer and father of Indian planning, Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya. So he was born on 15th September 1861 in Mysore state of British India. So on his birth day, so Engineers Day is being observed in India. So on the same day, International Day of Democracy is also being observed. International Day of Democracy 2018 theme is Democracy Under Strain, Solution for a Changing World. Next, on 16th September, International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer is being observed by United Nations Organization, and the theme is Keep Cool and Carry On, Montreal Protocol. And on 21st September, International Day for Peace, or also known as World Peace Day, is being observed across the world, and the theme is The Right to Peace, Universal Declaration of Human Rights at 70. And on 21st September again, World Alzheimer's Day is being observed. So this day is observed that Alzheimer's disease can be cured. So it is a disease, a group of disorders that impairs memory and other mental functions. So therefore, even September 2018 is also observed as World Alzheimer's Month. And on September 22nd, World Rose Day is observed, or also known as World Cancer Free Day. So to eradicate the threat of cancer within the persons, as well as to bring a strong and inspiration among the cancer patients, so willing to battle the cancer, the World Cancer Day is observed on September 22nd. As well as Assam State government on 22nd September observes it as Rhino Day. So rhinoceros, which is mostly found in Kaziranga National Park. So Kaziranga National Park is very famous for one-horned rhinoceros, and largest number of population of one-horned rhinoceros is also found in India. Okay, so therefore, 22nd September is observed as the Rhino Day by Assam State Government, which is announced by Assam CM Sarbananda Sonowal. And 23rd September is observed as International Day of Sign Languages. So sign languages is being observed on 23rd of September. So the theme for 2018 is with sign language everyone is included. And on September 25th, Nelson Mandela Day is being observed. So even the 2019 to 2028 is being declared as Nelson Mandela Decade of Peace by United Nations Organization. And on September 25th, annual Antyodaya Divas is being observed. So it is to commemorate the birth anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay. So this was being announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as part of Swachhata Hi Seva. And on 26th of September, International Day for Elimination of Nuclear Weapons is being observed across the globe. So, to bring and create awareness on nuclear disarmament matters and to educate people on potential threat by nuclear weapons. On 27th September, World Maritime Day is observed. So, World Maritime Day 2018 was observed across the world on 27th September 2018 with the theme IMO 70, Our Heritage, Better Shipping for a Better Future. And World Tourism Day is observed on 27th September with the theme Tourism and Digital Transformation. And on 28th September, World Rabies Day is observed to create awareness about prevention of rabies. So, the theme is Rabies, Share the Message, Save the Life. And finally, on 29th September, International Heart Day is observed. So, to create awareness on cardiovascular diseases including heart disease and stroke. So, the theme is My Heart, Your Heart. So, these are the important current affairs which we have observed from September 15 to 30 of 2018. So, friends, we are just giving you a brief ideology of the important points. So, these current affairs should be elaborated with the help of SakshiEducation.com website. So, we also have input some of the PDFs, so which we are giving you an awareness. So, this is just a brief class. So, for elaborate, so just follow the SakshiEducation.com. So, thank you, all the best.